Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this video I want to bring up Bitcoin Cash. This is one of the coin I have covered on this channel a while ago, and in this video I especially want to talk about the long-term prospect of Bitcoin Cash and what are some technical patterns that we are seeing right now. What are some of the long-term potential profit in Bitcoin Cash? Okay. So right now it's about 12 p.m. Eastern here in US, July 27th. Bitcoin is trading at where is Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin is trading at 81.51, and Bitcoin Cash, the video that I'm creating right now for Bitcoin Cash, is trading at around 8.18. Okay, so I have been scanning the coins right and just want to see what are some of the good coins that I can look into and see potential opportunity in them. And Bitcoin Cash, I especially I was looking at the longer picture. So if you look at it, usually I'm covering the dailies, and in this video I'm going to cover the weekly chart, where actually it gives you a longer term prospect on the chart. Okay, so we had a huge initially Bitcoin Cash had a huge spike back in December when it got into Coinbase, when they announced that they will Bitcoin Cash is coming to Coinbase exchange, and we had a huge spike in that, and we went all the way up to 3,000 mark. Since then we have been selling off with the overall market, came as low as 629. Then we had a nice rally into middle of March, went up to about 1800. Sell off. Now what I'm seeing is we are creating this lower base right now in the weekly, where I'm seeing there's very good opportunity if you want to hold on to something for a longer term. Okay, so if you look at this down channel, we are in the study down channel since the whole month of May, and now getting into July we have this indecision hammer. Then we have trying to get out of it, and finding some resistance from the 11-day moving average on the weekly chart. But overall what I'm seeing here is a very good opportunity for if you're a long-term trader, especially let's say if you're getting into a coin right now and you want to hold it for the next 6 months. I see a very good opportunity in Bitcoin Cash right now, where the longer term hold will be a good opportunity, because we are in a nice lower base formation right now. The trading pattern, on top of that, the trading pattern for Bitcoin Cash is very identical to Bitcoin. And if you have seen in last month or so, Bitcoin have been heavily been traded very heavily with nice volume, and you will see that kind of transfer into coins like Bitcoin Cash, where they have pretty similar concept of the store value, but little bit tweaks their own formula here and there, so I don't want to go into detail, but it's a pretty much same store value concept. So that's the coin fundamental theory behind it. Okay, as far as the technicals are concerned, it looks like a nice cup. I see a little bit of a cup formation right here in the last few days, and if we can get some consolidation, and we can see a nice breakout from here in Bitcoin Cash. So as I said, if you're looking for a long-term hold, then perhaps Bitcoin Cash is one of the contender for the long-term hold. Couple of things that we are coming near the apex of a major break in Bitcoin Cash. This, when I say major break, if you take the support from the August time frame, it's coming up near July, taking the high from the January resistance that we saw in March. So that's, if you create those lines, we are coming up against the apex. So I expect some momentum in month of August, month of September, and going into the December. All right, it's been a quite similar pattern. If you see back in even August, we had a nice momentum, a lot of like volume came into the August months. So I expect that to follow in upcoming month in August and Bitcoin Cash. Okay, the next level of resistance, as I said, is going to be the moving averages and the resistance line. But as far as the target, the first target I'm seeing right now in Bitcoin Cash is going to be around 1,090. That will be the first target, and then the second target will be around 1350. All right. So it have a good. Again, this is more of a. I wouldn't call it like the theme behind it is very solid theme, and it's very like it's not any Ponzi or like speculative coin like you will see a lot of altcoins nowadays are becoming. So this is still a pretty solid coin. It's very identical, as I said, to Bitcoin. So I like this coin, especially for the long-term hold. And the team behind it is pretty good as well. Okay, so just to recap, we are looking at the weekly for Bitcoin Cash. We're coming near the apex, creating this lower formation, seeing a nice pattern right now, a lot of like dojis in last couple of weeks, which tells me that we are near, or at least perhaps this week or next week we'll see a trend reversal. We were in the strong downtrend, so we are gonna see a trend reversal where we're gonna get into an uptrend. So that's my take on Bitcoin Cash. Let me know what you think, and just post a comment. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If this content is helping you with your trading, with your investing, then please make sure you share it with your friends and family. Share the channel, spread the word. That's the things that we have to do. Like it's with any things that we believe in. So you should be telling the full stories on that. Okay. All right. So that's all, guys. Talk to you soon.